Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So if you're looking for the perfect video to teach you how to get back or recover your lost or hacked Google account, or you maybe forgot the password, this is the right video for you to get this done. So let's just go ahead to sign into the Google account. I still don't remember, so let's just say Google sign in without wasting time. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, so you can get this issue solved for you. So go ahead to share this video if you find it useful and stuff. So yes, you're at this point, you remember your email or your Google email. So let me type the name of my email here. 001 shift at gmail.com. So yeah, this is the name of my Google account. So click on next, and now you're at this part where you can't remember your password. Maybe you've typed several things and click on next, and it's telling you wrong password. Try again or click on forgot password for more options. So the only thing you can do here is to either remember the password or go ahead to click on forgot password. So I've forgotten password, or let's say it's hacked and the password has been changed. So I'll just go ahead to click on forgot password here. So let's now teach you how to bring it back. So you can use a passkey to verify it's really you. Your device may ask you to scan a QR code before your screen on, which if you click on continue and type in your password, it's definitely not going to work. We're going to click on try another way, and it said enter the last password you remembered while using this Google account. For example, if you've not changed your Google password, yeah, Google is asking you right here to convince them that you once had this account and you were the owner of the account. So they asked for the last password you remembered while using. And for example, I've not really changed the password before. I just forgot it. So let's go ahead to leave this and just click on try and that way. So they ask a series of steps. The next one is to get a device that you've connected to. And let's say, for example, I don't have a device I've signed into here. I don't have a device I've signed into. For example, if you have this, my device here, Redmi 12C, I'll have just gone there to my Redmi 12C to open the settings and find Google and go ahead to get everything done. But this is not what we are, because we can't get a code for this because I can't get into the app again. So instead of this, let's just go ahead to try on that way again. And Google give you at least one more option, and they'll say you didn't provide enough info for Google to be sure this account is really yours. Google asks for this info to keep your account secure. So if possible, answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where you've signed in before. Use a familiar Wi-Fi network such as home or. And the funny stuff is that these three options wouldn't work. They wouldn't. I don't even bother clicking on more tips to recover your account. That's also useless. Or clicking on try again will just take you back to it to restart. But then I'm telling you have to use a device where you've signed in before. I've tried this step before to when my YouTube channel and on my Google account got hacked. It didn't work for me. And using a familiar Wi-Fi network, or even if you stay at home, that's the location is the same and you're using the same PC or the same things you have done, it still wouldn't work. So let's just go ahead to the main thing that should work. Go ahead to contact Google using X. So I'll be teaching you how to contact Google using X. So yeah, you live chat them and they will bring back your account for you. So what you have to do is just to provide them with a lot of evidences, or yourself ask yourself, if someone is giving you a proof that these things belong to them, you have to ask yourself if that proof the person is giving you is actually enough. So you'll be typing as much as possible things you can so they can know, okay, this account actually belongs to you. So I'll be going to my profile to show you the name of the account you should really follow. So this is it. What you should do first is to follow Google here. So make sure you're following Google on X. So if you don't have a Twitter account, on X account, go ahead to create an X account, follow Google, and also follow Team YouTube. So make sure you follow these two accounts, Team YouTube and Google, especially Team YouTube, so they will be able to text you. Because if you go through my inbox here, once I go to my inbox, you see Team YouTube actually text me and we've been chatting. So as you can see, Team YouTube has been chatting with me and they got my YouTube channel back to me and also my hacked email or Gmail or Google account. So let's go ahead to get this done very fast. So what you have to do is to follow this and make a tweet. So what you have to do here, let me give you an example of what kind of tweet I made. So you can see this here. My YouTube account was hacked. Hacker changed my Gmail password and added the passkey so I can no longer access my Google account. Monetization is enabled on my channel at Team YouTube, at YouTube Creators. It's frustrating. You guys have been ignoring my post. So this is after I made a lot of posts and they have been ignoring it because they are actually really busy replying to almost everyone's posts on X or whatever. So you can put it like this: my YouTube channel was hacked. Hacker changed my Gmail password and everything. And also, if you can put it like this, or you can go ahead and say my Google password was hacked, or my Google, I forgot my Google password and I can't log in, and keep on tagging Team YouTube and also YouTube Creator. I don't think tagging Google is really necessary, but just make sure you do follow them and also that other account. So when you keep on doing this, they will notice you and they're going to send you a comment. So what you have to do here is to try to avoid scammers. For example, if you check under my post, you see a lot of people trying to talk to me and be like, okay, we can get they can help you get. So just ignore their comments and make sure you only get comments from this account here, YouTube Creators or Team YouTube. So very soon Team YouTube will actually slide into your DM within 24 hours if they don't keep on typing here just to get their attention. And when they do, they will send you everything. So they are going to chat you up, and what you have to do is to provide them with all information you need. Like for example, tell them when last you used the device and when you noticed the account was hacked, or if you forgot the password, explain to them how you forgot the password and what device you've signed it into. For example, now I listed all the devices I've used that account on, and also all everything they need to everything I knew about my YouTube channel and also my Gmail account. And YouTube were really really convinced because they sent me a link. And make sure you also check your X inbox very very well, and also you provide them into your Gmail, which they also might chat you with and everything like that. So make sure you stay focused on this as they will be giving you replies. So once you are done there, they will send you a link where you have to like through your Gmail where you have to like claim your ownership. So what you have to do there is to type in all things you need. For example, if you go through our chats, I don't know if we have any sensitive here to do. So they said we should mind sharing the channel URL that got hacked so we can see what's going on. Or for example, if it's a Gmail account, you have your Google account hacked here, you can go ahead to let them know that okay, this is the Google account Gmail, like for example, something at gmail.com. So give them the address and everything, and they should get it solved for you. So once you're done, they'll take some time, check through it, and ask you a lot of information. So what you have to do is to make sure you provide them with all information that they actually need to get it done. Keep on checking your email, keep on checking your Gmail and your messaging app from your ex. So once you're done with that, they should get your channel back to you. And when they get it back to you, they'll tell you to lock it and provide more security for it, which obviously you must do to secure your account. So if you found this video really really useful, go ahead to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to people who actually need it. And if you are still facing issues or you don't know what step to do next after you've gotten DM from Team YouTube or Google, go ahead to like comment under the comment section and let me know how to help you from there. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.